Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add sound effects to your videos using Capcut. To start, open Capcut and load your video into the timeline. To add background music or sound effects, click on the Audio tab. Capcut provides a variety of free music and sound effects for you to use. Simply browse the options or search for a specific sound, such as a whoosh. When you find the audio you want, drag it to your timeline. You can position and trim the audio to fit your video perfectly. If the sound is too loud, you can adjust the volume by selecting the audio clip, going to the basic settings on the right, and lowering the volume. For background music during a talking segment, a volume of around -20 to -25 dB works well to keep the voice clear. To create smooth transitions, you can add fade-ins and fade-outs. Select the audio clip and under Basic, adjust the fade settings as needed. If you prefer to use your own audio files, click on the Media tab, then select Import. Choose your music or sound effect file from your computer and it will appear in your media library. Drag it to the timeline just like any other audio. For adding sound effects, go back to the Audio tab and select Sound Effects. You can search for effects like a click or pop and add them to your video. To import your own sound effects, use the same import process as with music. Experiment with different audio settings and effects to enhance your video. Once you're satisfied, export your project to save your work. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.